I went to the park. I went to the park. I went to school. I went to school. I went to the gym. I went to the gym. I went to the market. I went to the market. I went to the office. I went to the office. I went to the dentist. I went to the dentist. I went to the bank. I went to the bank. I went to the post office. I went to the post office. I went to the restaurant. I went to the restaurant. I went to get coffee. I went to get coffee. I went to the train station. I went to the train station. I went to the theater. I went to the theater. I went to the movies. I went to the movies. I went to a concert. I went to a concert. I went to the beach. I went to the beach. I went to my friend's house. I went to my friend's house. I went to the gas station. I went to the gas station. I went to the mall. I went to the mall. I went to buy groceries. I went to buy groceries. I went to pick up a package. I went to pick up a package. I went to the bus stop. I went to the bus stop. I went to see the doctor. I went to see the doctor. I went to the bakery. I went to the bakery. I went to the library. I went to the library.